Hey guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we have the 2023 Selections car. It is the 1972 Skyline Hardtop 2000 GTR. Now, a couple cool things about this casting. One is the number 2 itself. It stands for being the second Selections car of 2023, as well as what the car used to place in real life in races. It's got the Watanabe rims. I love this RLC and this little Selections with the heart. Oh my gosh, I love that. Purple Spectra Flame paint with this gorgeous cream color on it. And of course, this is blurry because I'm moving it too much. Now, this car was opened for me by House of Oren Customs in our shop here. So here's a clip of him doing that. Yeah, so it was open, so I'm able to hang it back up after this video and be able to store it, because I had that Fair Lady that ripped off the card that I'm not going to keep in the card, so I'm going to replace it with this just to hang up with my Supers and I think I got one other Redline Club up there. So I'm going to do that, but let's go get this cracked open, put on the spinner, and we will come back out. Hardtop 2000 GTR 2023 Selections car from Redline Club. Now, again, I'm doing a giveaway for this R34 and this Super T Hunt. All you have to do is go to the video link down below, comment your favorite casting, and you will be entered in to win. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out some of my other videos and keep on collecting.